Judge Ford.
Okay, that's fine. You say you'll be out Thursday, Friday?
Yeah, Friday's not. So I'm gonna
Okay.
break Friday.
That's not all Fridays. The rest of it is in next month.
Say your middle name again, Mr. Friday.
Navarro. There might be hyphen London Friday.
That's what the problem is. I see.
The one guy that was the last time he was taking money out the thing at first campaign. Like, come on. Couldn't have made it a little better.
You have proof of insurance, Mr. London Friday?
Yes.
Can you get that out for me when we start?
I actually have it on laptop. Is that okay?
Hey, John.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning, man. All right, let's go. Good morning, everyone. Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean P. Perkins. Our court is in session. Please keep your backgrounds quiet and clear. Sit back, wait for your names to be called. Also, if you're in a vehicle, there is no driving while court is in session. Also, there is no talking, eating, drinking, gum chewing, walking around, and smoking of any kind. And please remain properly addressed at all times. Thank you.
All right, good morning, everyone. You got that information out for me, Mr. London Friday? All right, take your hood off, Mr. Green. Are you
Yes, I
driving
do.
a car?
Oh, you don't have five.
Mr. Green, are you driving? All right, take your hood off for me, please. Okay, let me see what that looks like. Here. Let's see here. How do I get that? Okay, I'm satisfied. I'm satisfied. All right. This is the city of Detroit versus. Are we ready, Ms. Williams Law?
Yes, Ryan.
All right. Charles London Friday, case number SP 132509161. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to your staff. Cherika Harris, P 72832 on behalf of Mr. London Friday. For purposes of arraignment, he stands mute, waives formal reading of the information. Respectfully request that any warrants be recalled.
I recall the warrants on the not guilty plea on his behalf, given $0 bond, and I'm going to dismiss the case because it provided valid documentation. And I'm going to waive the warrant. All right, Mr. Friday, is that it?
Yes, it is.
All right, case dismissed. Have a great day, sir.
Thank you. Yes.
Mr. Green and Mr. Little, you two are going to have to wait. You're not supposed to be here until 9 o'clock. Thank you for showing up early, but the officer's not summons to be here until 9. And I'll give the officer a half-hour grace period. If the officer doesn't show up by 9:30, we'll call the case. But if the officer does show up, then we will, then we'll get you an offer. We'll give you a chance to speak to Ms. Harris. If you don't like the offer, then we'll get ready for trial. If you like the offer, you can take the offer, all right?
All right.
All right, Mr. Lydell. All right, you can mute your phones, turn your camera off, or you can just come back at 9 o'clock if you want to.
All right.
Your Honor, for
Yeah.
Mr. Green, is it possible to, I guess, ask him if he has those items? I'm scared to ask.
Yeah, of course. If you can do something, but Mr. Green, he's got unregistered, untitled, no ops, and an old, improper license. Do you have a license, sir? Mr. Green?
That's okay, we
Mr.
can wait.
Green?
We
Mr.
can
Green,
wait.
do you have a license?
Wait, you talking to me?
Yes.
My name
You're
is
Kevin
Gregory.
Green? You're Kevin
No, I'm
Green, aren't you?
I'm Kevin Gregory.
You're Kevin Gregory?
Yes.
Oh, I'm talking to the wrong Kevin. Hold on a second. Let's see what Gregory, that makes a difference then. Let's see what Gregory's got.
Same thing, Your Honor. Do we have a driver's license?
Good morning, Mr. Goss.
Good morning, Attorney Harris.
Yeah, Kevin Gregory.
Good morning, Ms. Williams Law.
I don't see Gregory on the dock.
Morning.
8:35,
We should leave.
3/4 down.
Okay. All right, let's see what he's got.
Do you have an attorney coming, Mr. Gregory?
I'm here.
I believe so. She told me
You
to
do.
come to the
She's,
courtroom.
yeah, she's here.
I'm here.
She's here.
Good morning, Counselor. Is
Good morning,
Kevin
Your
on?
Honor.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Kevin Maurice Gregory. Case number SP 117022211. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning once again, Your Honor. Nargiz Nasimova appearing on behalf of Mr. Kevin Gregory, who was present via Zoom. My P number is 78876.
All right, good morning, Counselor. As the purposes of arraignment,
Your Honor, we waive the general information, the reading of the general information for purposes of arraignment. Mr. Gregory stands mute.
all right, I'm gonna enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give him a $0 bond. Does he have a driver's license?
He does not, Your Honor. Mr. Gregory has a unique situation. He's 20 years old and he does not have any family guidance. No one was able to ever take him to Secretary of State to obtain a license. I did talk to the city attorney yesterday. We are going to request an adjournment so that Mr. Gregory is able to work on getting a license. And then the city would be in a better position to provide a better offer for us.
Okay. Let me get you a pretrial date in a minute. Give him an
Okay.
opportunity to driver's license in.
Thank you.
I was using the 17th.
Okay. Do you use the 20th?
All right, the pretrial date is gonna be October the 20th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m.
I have two hearings that morning in Oakland County in person. Is there another date the court may have or a later time on the court's docket?
21st of October
At 8:30?
at 8:30.
Yeah, that works. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you very much, Counselor. And Mr. Gregory, sorry to confuse your name. I saw the Kevin iPhone and I just assumed. That's what I get for assuming. All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good day and we'll see you back on the 21st of October. All right?
Thank you, Your Honor. I'm assuming the personal bond was given to Mr. Gregory.
$0 personal bond, yes.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate it. Have a good day.
You go ahead. Hey, Lydell, Dominique.
I'm here.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Dominique. Yvette Lydell, case numbers SP 11014721, SP 11014751, SP 117743, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 117744, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1345486, counts 1 and 2. And SP 1345512, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sharika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Lydell. Ms. Lydell, please state your name for the record.
Dominique Liddell.
Liddell. For purposes of arraignment, she will stand mute, waive formal reading of the information, respectfully request that any warrants be recalled.
All right, I'll recall the warrants. I'll enter a not guilty plea on her behalf and give her a $0 bond. Mr. Goss, I need an offer for this young lady.
Your Honor, does she have a driver's license?
I would, let me not even respond to that. Let me ask her.
No.
All right,
Okay.
no
What are-
driver's license.
Are you in the process of getting a driver's license?
Yes, I was working on it. I had a Secretary of State appointment for next week.
Okay. And again, Your Honor, I would not object to adjourning this for her to come back with a driver's license, even though it looked like she's sitting in the driver's seat right now.
Yeah, it was loud in the house, so I came outside.
Okay.
You want to try to get a driver's license, registration, and insurance?
Okay.
All right, we're going to set a pretrial date for October the 24th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m. Bring license, insurance, and registration. All right.
Okay.
All right, do you have any further questions, ma'am? I'm gonna set aside the default in SP 11014721 and SP 117743, counts 1 and counts 2.
Yeah. I had wanted to talk about the case that I recently had just got, but I guess I'll wait until the next court date.
You see your counselor, what she's doing? She's saying, yeah, I might want to wait till the next court date after you bring in all those documentation.
All right.
Have a great day, ma'am.
Thank you.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Andre Lizamore. Case number SX 39756181. Appearance for the record, please.
Sharika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lizamore. Mr. Lizamore, please state your name.
Ray Lizzamore.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. I only have a ROA, Ms. Harris. This is a state case. I can just set a trial date for your client if he likes. The city only offers for operating over an alcoholic motor vehicle driver. That's a 2-point offense. I'll fine you $240 and is alcohol related. The city only offers a 2-point offense of open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. Same $240, same alcohol related offense on your record. I don't know what the state is going to offer. I can get the state attorney in here, or I can just set a trial date. It'll be the same thing on the date of trial. What would you like to do, sir? You want to speak with counsel regarding this?
Yes.
All right. Join the breakout room, please. Jada Marie, you're supposed to be in courtroom 331.
Okay, is that a different Zoom
Yeah,
number?
it's just 360-331-0000 instead of the 434.
You said 331?
Yes, 360-331-0000.
Okay, thank you.
Your Honor, Mr. Lizzamore would like a trial date.
Okay, let me give you a trial date of October. Let's go back on the record, Mr. Lizzamore, October 20th, 2022 at 9 a.m., sir.
All right.
There's no further questions. You have a very good day.
All right. Thank you.
All right. Felicia Lee.
Yes, I'm here.
All right. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
It's the City of Detroit versus Felicia Marcella Lee, case number SB 1264218, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SB 1264236, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Sharika Harris on behalf of Ms. Lee. Ms. Lee, please state your name for the record.
Felicia Lee.
All right, we are here at pretty time set for a pretrial. Did you get a license, Ms. Lee?
I paid the ticket. I paid the ticket and paid the reinstatement fee. I got to do the written test and the road test.
All right, let's give her another pretrial date of October the 24th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m. You gotta get it done. That's the last time we're gonna adjourn it, all right?
Okay.
Have a great day, man. Good luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
All right. All right, she's got to connect her audio. I sent her a chat already. It seemed like she got it. Little showed up. He's gonna back Levante Little.
Okay.
He's set for trial, so Mr. Dawson got the file up.
That's when he had all those cases.
Yeah.
But some of them look old. Well, -1.
All right. Good morning, ma'am. You have to now you have to unmute yourself. Same bottom left icon there. You should have an unmute button as well.
Okay.
What's your name? Good morning to you.
Good morning. My name is Wanda Gooden.
Wanda, good morning, Ms. Gooden.
Good morning.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Okay, I don't see Gooden. I'm gonna suspect your last name is spelled.
She's at 1:30.
Oh, E-N, Wanda.
Oh, my appointment at 1:30.
Wanda Yvette Gooden.
Yes, yes, sir.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Wanda Yvette Gooden, case number SP 128-1217, counts 1 and counts 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Ms. Gooden. Ms. Gooden, please state your name for the record.
Wanda Yvette Gooden.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute, waives formal reading of the information.
All right, I'm gonna enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Do you have a license and insurance, Ms. Gooden?
No, sir.
Well, are you trying to get one?
Yes, sir. I really am.
So what's
It's
it
just
gonna take?
Well, I'm on a fit income and everything, so about time I finish paying my rent, storage, and all this and that, you know what I'm saying? I'm down to like nothing. So I'm trying to get my license. But like I said, my license and my insurance, once I pay my rent and my storage, I'm down to like nothing. Really.
Let's get the license first. I mean, how have you ever had a license before?
Yes, sir, I have. But see, at the time when they suspended my license and everything, they ended up doing the driving responsibility. They paid all it off. So me, I thought to where, you know what I'm saying, they pay everything. I didn't know that I had to pay the driving. I didn't know I had to pay the Secretary of State, the one through the reinstate.
Let me stop.
Yes.
Let's stop. Have you, do you have any tickets in any other jurisdictions?
No, sir.
When's the last time you've been to the Secretary of State?
The last time I went to Secretary of State was, it was this year when I had to reinstate my to get my tax for my car.
Did you get it? Did you ask him for a license then?
Why is this going like this? Oh my God.
Did you
Just a
ask him
minute.
for a license? Did you ask him for a license, ma'am?
No, I didn't ask then because I didn't know that I had to pay the reinstatement fee. Why is this like this? Oh my God.
And how much reinstatement fee did they ask you to pay?
They told me that I had to pay $125.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna give you until October 20th 2022. Come
October,
back. We're gonna set a pre-trial date.
okay.
All right, try to get a license by then. All right, try to get a license by then, all right?
Okay, sir. Thank you very much and have a blessed day.
Come back October 20th, 2022 at 8:30 in the morning. You have a better one, ma'am, and you have a blessed day as well.
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
You like our courtroom, huh, Miss Marie?
Yes, so she sent me back. My last name is Griggs, not Marie.
Oh. Well, that will make a
Yeah,
difference.
Marie is my middle name.
But you don't like Griggs?
Oh, I do. It's on there.
Well, why don't you type it in? You don't use it.
Yes, I do. What you mean? I put my name on there?
It says Jada Marie.
I don't remember putting my name in the system, so they must have been the error.
And it's spelled wrong on here. How's your name? How do you spell your name?
It's Jada, Jada, Marie, Marie.
That's your fancy way of spelling it on the thing here.
Was it spelled?
You got it, Jaayda, Marie, Jada Marie.
Oh, no. Oh, you're talking about on my video call.
Yes.
Okay, yeah.
City of Detroit versus Jada Marie Griggs, case number SP 122-17931, SP 1314120, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1314161. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Ms. Griggs. Ms. Griggs, please state your name.
Jada Griggs.
All right, today is the date and time set for a show cause in the matter. Go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, respectfully request that any warrants or defaults be set aside. And for purposes of arraignment, she stands mute, waives formal reading.
All right, I under not guilty plea under have give her a $0 bond. You have a driver's license, ma'am?
Yes, I do.
Run her driver's license, please. Okay, good morning, Trooper and Officer Page. Good morning to both of you. Put you in a breakout room with Mr. Goss and you can discuss. Little was here. He'll be back probably in a few minutes. And Trooper, can you give me the pronunciation of your last name? Did you leave? I think you went in the breakout.
I'm sorry, what'd you say?
No, that's not for you, Miss Griggs. All right, one of your officers showed up for now, Mr. Little.
All right.
Okay, let's go back on the record with Ms. Griggs. She has a valid driver's license. Mr. Goss. I have Mr. Goss, where are you? What about insurance for this vehicle, ma'am?
I no longer have that vehicle. My engine went out
You
on
have
the
a
freeway.
vehicle now?
I have a rental that I've had for about 4 months. I don't have a car, so I've been paying that with insurance.
That's registration and insurance. I mean, it can be expensive, I guess.
Yeah, it really is, but that's what I gotta get until I get a car. I'm trying to build my credit in the meantime so I can get a lease or something.
Where's Mr. Goss? All right, who's on the phone? Good morning to you at 313-329-3658.
Joel Gibson.
Say the last name again, please.
Gittens.
Gittin?
Gittens like kittens, but with a G.
Spell it for me.
Gittens.
Okay. Gittena.
Gitt as in Tom, ENS as in snake.
Okay. And Joel, Joel?
Yes.
Okay. Sonia Gittens?
Yes, Sonia.
Well, set for, you're not supposed to be here until September 16th.
September?
It's August now.
I thought it was August 17th. Oh,
Well,
sorry.
it's better to be early. It's better to be early than late, but you got to come back September 16th.
Well, okay then.
All right, good luck to you, man. Have a great day. Next time, try to zoom in too.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Good morning, Officer Hill. Put you in a breakout room with Mr. Goss.
Okay, Your Honor. Thank you.
Your Honor, you need an offer.
Yes, okay, we're here. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Griggs, Jada Marie Griggs. Ms. Griggs has got a no insurance misdemeanor, a driver license suspended, a no proof of insurance, civil infraction, expired plate, civil infraction, and seatbelt. Ms. Griggs has a valid driver's license. Ms. Griggs indicates to the court that the car that she was driving she no longer owns that car, but she is renting a car now and has been for the last few months and has obviously insurance and registration on that vehicle. I didn't see the proof of that, but if you want to see the proof of that, maybe she can get the proof of that. But what would the offer be?
Just plead to the expired place, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Griggs, your offer is pleading to the expired plates. I'll fine you $145, and we'll dismiss everything else.
Okay.
You want to take that deal, ma'am?
Yeah, that's fine. Y'all can hear me, right? I'm sorry.
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay, yeah, I'll take it. Will I have any points?
No points.
Okay.
It's just like a parking ticket, essentially an expensive parking ticket. Okay, Counselor, when your client stipulates the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea,
So stipulated, Your Honor.
will your client stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
You have another pen over there. All right, I'm dismissing SP 122-17931, SP 1314120, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 1314161. And I'll find your client responsible for the expired plates of SP 1314120, count 3, and I'll fine her $145. Ma'am, when can you pay?
Can I get some time, please? Because I got.
Yeah, how much time do you need?
Is a month too long? I could pay in between.
No, you need just make sure you give a realistic date. Give me a realistic date that you can pay.
I don't have a realistic date. You can choose any date from a month.
Well, I can give you a month, or if you can't, are you sure you're gonna be able to pay it off in a month?
Okay, I'll look up the date then. Okay, is the 20th of September too late? Yeah, I can pay it off.
I'm gonna give you till October 17th. Make sure it's paid by then, all right?
Okay, thank you.
So you don't mess your driver's license up, all right?
Okay,
All right, have a great day, ma'am. Good luck to you.
you too. Oh, wait, I do have a question. So we just handle all my tickets right now. I don't have to come back in November.
You don't have to come back.
Okay.
Just pay that ticket so you don't mess your license up.
Okay, I will.
Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, or you can come down to the courthouse and pay it.
Okay, I can't pay it online?
I wouldn't pay it online. It takes so long for online to go through, but you can.
Okay, well, I'll come in. All right, thank you. Y'all have a good one.
You have a better one. Thank you. All right, give them a few more minutes to show up. We're gonna give the officers, you got another 21 minutes, Mr. Little. You got at least one officer here, maybe two. I don't know if this trooper pulled you over or not.
All right.
Did you ever get pulled over by a Michigan State trooper?
Yeah, like 2 years ago.
Yeah, so he's here. I got a ticket for him. And, then Paige here as well. Got the trooper's ticket, Counselor. And I have Paige's ticket. Officer Paige's ticket. What about your driver's license, sir? Do you have a valid license?
No, it's not valid yet. I went to the Secretary of State. They was the lady didn't know what I was talking about. Maybe because I had just got a ticket, so I don't know. When I went up there and told her like, you was telling me to come to the Secretary of State, I might have some good news. She didn't know what I was talking about. So right, as of right now,
Did you ask her what's affecting your license?
she was telling me that I got some more tickets to pay off, but which I already knew about. So for my last court date I came to. And that's all she was telling me. She didn't tell me nothing like it was something good, but it wasn't all bad either. She was just telling me I had a balance.
Are you the one that got injured?
Yes.
How's your health doing?
It's all right. It's not the best. I'm still hooked up to the bed. Still got upcoming surgeries. So I'm alive. That's all I can say.
I hope you are alive. I don't count on hearing that. And I'm talking to that's a good thing. All right, let's wait on that.
Your Honor, can I get a breakout room with Attorney Harris?
Yes.
Stop shaking your head.
You want a separate breakout room from the officers?
Yes, Your Honor.
Join the room, please.
Thank you. Oh, Your Honor, can you get in contact with APA Cole for Trooper Tafralian?
All right.
Thank you.
All right, Corporal Dupree, good morning to you. Mr. Green hasn't showed up yet. They'll put you in a breakout with Mr. Goss. You have a call number?
She responded to you.
I know he's not here. Mr. Chair, let's talk to Mr. Little.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I speak with Mr. Little briefly in a breakout room?
Yes.
Thank you.
Join the room, please.
All right.
Trooper, can you give me the correct pronunciation of your last name, please?
Yes, sir. That's Tefralian.
Australia?
Yes, sir.
Oh, good morning to you. I sent
Good
you a
morning.
note in the chat from APA Cole. She wants you to give her a call.
Very good. Will do.
Okay.
Have you seen not valid before?
Seen.
Yeah, not valid. I've seen not valid.
I've seen that. Did you just see suspended?
Suspended, revoked, expired.
I've seen canceled.
I've seen council before, but never seen not
I've
valid.
seen not valid.
Why is it that? Renew it?
That's usually expired.
Expired.
Hold on.
I'm just trying to see.
If
not
it's
valid.
suspended, then the time comes,
It's not valid for what reason?
the reinstatement date was 2021. He actually could get a license because his reinstatement is 10/21.
Maybe that's why it's not valid. Because it was suspended, it wasn't suspended for being expired, it was probably suspended. And now it's changed to not valid.
Right, because he didn't.
Because he never renewed.
Right.
And he became eligible.
Oh, shoot. No. It's been expired since 2010. Council in 2010. Mhm. We'll be back.
I didn't understand the cancel.
All right, let's go. What's gonna be the outcome, with, your case, Trooper? We lost him again.
And can we bring Mr. Little out of the breakout room? I think he's still there.
Yeah, try it. All right, I'm gonna see if that trooper comes back in. Let's call the cases, this is the City of Detroit versus Levante Little, case number SP 11079211, SP 9993881, SX 3678871, 15439 counts 1 and counts 2, 16239551, 16239561, 213574031. Appearance for the record, please.
Cherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Little. Mr. Little, please state your name for the record.
Levante Little.
Okay, Officer Page, good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record?
Good morning.
Good morning. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
I can't hear you.
Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Officer Page, badge number 4015.
Detroit Police Department?
Detroit Police Department.
And what precinct?
With major violators.
All right. Good morning to you. All right, let's start off with the stuff that probably is not gonna go. This
Your Honor, today is a date and time set for trial in all of the cases that were called on the record. With the exception of the matter with the prefix SX and the matter with the prefix 21, complaining witnesses have failed to appear. We would move for dismissal in those matters.
okay, I'm gonna dismiss, I'm gonna grant the motion. I'm gonna dismiss SP 11079211, SP 9993881, 15439 counts 1, count 2. 162395571 and 162395651. I'm gonna dismiss all those cases. No officer.
Your Honor, I will also ask, has a state prosecutor appeared?
No, the state prosecutor has not appeared. She indicated that she was would be about 10 minutes. Let's talk to the trooper. Good morning, trooper. What was if you care to share your conversation with APA Cole, what did you want to do with this case?
Good morning, sir. The APA call said she'd be sending something over to the clerk via email in just a moment. I believe she was interested in a reduction of some sort.
All right, can you put your appearance on the record, trooper, please?
I'm sorry, what was that, sir?
Can you put your appearance on the record, please? Put your appearance on the record.
I'm sorry, I don't understand.
Your name and your who you're representing, your badge number, and information like that.
All right, Trooper Tafralian, TAFRALIAN, Michigan State Police, badge number 1660.
All right, very well. Let's see. What was the did APA Cole give you any kind of idea of what offer she was gonna present to all right, let's deal with the 213-574-031 case. Officer Page's case. What's gonna go on with that?
Your Honor, I need to speak to Officer Page. We're not done figuring out what we're gonna do with that case as of yet.
All right.
So she went back.
She's in the breakout room now. Well, she was. Officer Page, can you rejoin the breakout room and speak with Mr. Goss? All right, let's pass the matter until we get. I thought that was already done.
I think some more information came to light, Your Honor, so that's why there's a change.
Okay, let's pass the matter. Good morning, ma'am. What's your name?
Good morning, Lemitra Green.
Okay. Good morning to you, Ms. Green. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Lemitra Green, case number SP 1185771 and SP 1222755. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Ms. Green. Ms. Green, please state your name for the record.
Lemitra Green.
As it relates to the show cause, Mrs. Harris.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client will stand mute, wait formal reading, and respectfully request that any warrants or defaults be set aside.
Okay, I'll set aside the warrant or enter not guilty plea on Ms. Green's behalf because there's no warrant on this case. And I'll set aside the default in SP 1185771. This is allowing an unlicensed driver to drive in a school zone ticket. I can give your client a trial date for it, or if we can allow her to plead to the allowing, dismiss everything, dismiss the school zone, pay 240, dismiss upon payment. So you can speak to Ms. Harris in a breakout room regarding that, Ms. Green. You also have a warrant out for your arrest. You need to see Judge Bryant's. Apparently you're on probation for something.
Yes, the information that they have is wrong, is the wrong information. I guess it's saying that I owe some money and I completed the things that they asked me to do. I believe the only thing I didn't complete was that one day of community service, but it was during COVID and I never got a chance to complete that one day. So that's the only.
When you go, after you leave here, I want you to call Judge Bryant's courtroom so you can address this.
Okay.
Can you get her the information, Ms. Harris, in the chat?
Yes, Your Honor. I can give it to her when we go into the breakout room.
Go in the room, Ms. Green.
Okay.
Hold case two. Officer Page, that's the phone. Hold case, to the phone. Not sure, not sure. She sent a, she sent a- Her office number was herself. That's how have Officer Page call me.
You see the offer that she sent? You saw it.
That's the state now. I need to look at the.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Mrs. Green. Ms. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client wishes to have a trial date set, please and thank you.
Okay. Is that what you want to do, Ms. Green?
Yes, sir.
All right, trial date is going to be October 20th, 2022 at 9 a.m.
Thank you, Judge.
And Your Honor, I did give her the courtroom phone number for Judge Bryant's courtroom as well as the Zoom information.
All right, you guys want to get in touch with her as soon as possible, ma'am.
Okay, I'm gonna give him a call now.
Thank you much. Have a great day. Good luck to you.
You too.
Well, apparently, the two tickets that the officer and the trooper are here for the state matter. And again, I've summoned APA code to the courtroom. And no show yet. I do have an offer for one of the tickets that is a failure to display for the trooper's ticket. That is let's go back on the record with Mr. Levante. I have an offer for trooper's ticket that would be a amended count of failure to display. And okay, here we have APA code now. Okay, APA Cole, good morning to you.
Good morning.
I have Mr. Levante Little here. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
May it please the court, Paula Cole on behalf of the people.
All right. Can you put your P number on the record, please?
Oh, I'm sorry, P31888.
All right, very well. I have Trooper Charlian and Officer Page and I have Mr. Levante Little. I did get your offer for Mr. Little on the failure to display for the trooper's case. But the city attorney recognized that this ticket that was written, and I need to get I'll forward this ticket to you. Do you have a copy of this ticket, Ms. Harris?
No, Your Honor, I do not.
All right, let's get a copy of this ticket to you so you can do your, be able to do your due diligence on that. Let's see, but I'm going to put you in a breakout room with both of the officer and the trooper, and you can see how we want to proceed on both of these tickets. And in the meantime, I'm going to get you a copy of the original ticket.
Because it's my understanding the one that I did the offer on was a 2020 ticket for suspended license.
Yes, it was a 2020 ticket. This is a 2021 case here. Can you get that to Ms. Harris, please? I'll put you in a breakout room with the both of them. Do you need to speak with the city, the state attorney, Ms. Harris? Will you need to speak with the state attorney? What is that a picture of on the screen? That's like a ceiling? Oh,
Yeah,
all right.
yeah.
Okay, all right. Ms. Harris, will you need to speak to the state attorney?
Yes, I will, Your Honor. I'm looking up a little bit of information right now, so I would need about 5 minutes before I speak with her.
All right.
Then coming back at 3 o'clock and then we can get off. Matter of fact. Okay, I'm gonna look. Let me. Going on the judge's work, and then I'll check with them after that.
Is that the one who wrote the letter?
Yes, yes, Judge.
He never called. I never
The
talked to him.
judge was saying that he was waiting. Did you try to call the judge back? Because I think he needs some information. Yeah, I can, give me the name of the company again. Guardian Alarm, okay. All right. Well, call me at 3 o'clock, okay? I guess he still needs the letter. He works for Guardian Alarm. And I have moved it up to Southfield, so he's.
But I need to speak to him.
You can call, have his telephone number, call him after the document.
Tell him I'll call him tomorrow.
Okay.
He calls him back. I need to speak to him
He
personally.
had another.
Oh, good.
Somebody's hoping he had a warrant. So we'll contact him, so we start discussing.
Does he have a warrant?
No. So.
Yeah. I'm in a Zoom hearing. I'm trying to mute myself.
These tickets was entered on her, so they can't enter after we can. Thinking that we need to serve him, you know. And after he came forward on 27/29. I was downstairs getting some tickets. This one on the 2nd of August.
Your Honor, can I have a breakout room with Ms. Cole?
Okay. Join the room, please.
And if Madam Clerk could send me a copy of the trooper's ticket, it would be appreciated. Please and thank you.
So breakout room 3.
Yes.
Thank you.
What time you want him, what time you want to call him? What time I'm gonna call him? It's dark.
Your Honor,
Yes.
can I release Corporal McCree?
Yeah, I'll put it on the record.
Okay, I'll go get him.
Hey, I'm scared. This is so I into that matter, okay, so when you came to court 729, you had some other tickets that you had to have after those tickets that you came to court. So what happened was when you came to court on 729, the operators that entered tickets, they entered some more tickets on August the 2nd and August the 3rd. So right after you came to court, 2 days later. No, you don't have words. They had it. They entered. I don't know what that was all about. But well, hold on. That's why I wanted to copy that so we can clear. I don't have a copy to talk to. It makes it kind of difficult to kind of talk in detail like how this race. So 3 o'clock, the judge said he's gonna call tomorrow after the docket. So I don't know if you want to be able to, I believe you have to today, 3, okay? But I just wanted to give you a heads up that they entered some tickets after the came. So you must have got some more tickets. Okay? Because everything else is pretty much closed, but I ran your name, but I do want to run your driver's license. That'll give me time. I mean, you know what I'm saying? You can just go online, 36 Court, type your run your name, you can see all the tickets, you don't even see the tickets on top, okay? Okay, you want to take a trip, okay? Just start 36 Court, just type your name, it says look at case, click on the link, type your name, and pull up on your cases, and you'll see the cases that I'm talking about. You will see the following date, 8/2 and 8/3, okay? All right, bye-bye.
Call this lady here for Kevin Green. Her name is Andrea Roberts. I give you a phone number.
You mean turn?
Yeah.
Okay.
734. I
7.
think she's the
Michigan Defenders
office.
Okay.
734-231-4977.
You said 231.
4977.
4977.
I mean, we can just give them a show cause. It's only got these cheap pages.
This is for missing.
This is for Kevin Green. Driving one license, no option. All right, let's go back on the record. If she has a phone number for him, we can get it put up today, but if not,
You want me to call in?
I'm calling to see if she has a phone number. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Levante Little. I've given everybody an opportunity to speak about the case. And Ms. Harris, what's gonna happen here?
Your Honor, we are actually both going to request, if the court would allow, an adjournment and possibly the appointment of counsel for Mr. Little, as there is an extensive or at least a substantial amount of paperwork that needs to be reviewed by both Madam Prosecutor and Defense Counsel. And I think it would assist in moving the case along, especially the case with regards to Officer Page. Moreover, I believe there's also a meeting this afternoon Ms. Cole has for cases of this nature. So that might change the disposition as well.
Yes, Your Honor. Just for the record, this particular statute, there's a $10,000 fine for a first offense of operating a marijuana clinic. And we could proceed, but there is a lot of paperwork, and I think Mr. Little at least should have the right to review the paperwork that was prepared. So I don't know if it could be like set for an afternoon hearing, because I would think it would be at least an hour or two to do this hearing. And because of the amount of the fine, I just believe that Mr. Little, should have a little more time to review it or even consider hiring an attorney.
Okay. All right, so what I'll do is, Mr. Little, obviously, are you gonna need an attorney appointed to you? Are you gonna be able to hire your own counsel? I think you're muted, sir.
Mr. Little, your device is muted, so we don't know if you're talking to us or not.
Oh, I was saying, yes, I'm gonna need an attorney. I don't know what's going on for real. I need to know everything. I don't know nothing right now. It went from tickets to operating a marijuana clinic.
Did you didn't speak to counsel in the breakout room?
Yes, I told the counsel, that's nothing. I wasn't ever operating no marijuana clinic, no.
I know that's your, listen, that's your defense, right? That's what the purpose of a trial is about. Now, what they're saying is that, first of all, I've given them an opportunity to speak of what's going on. And just as it relates to how the offense is, the allegation is made, not saying you're guilty of it or that you did anything, but how the allegation has been written, it's a $10,000 fine if you were found guilty of that. So, and then apparently there's a voluminous amount of paperwork that is related to this. So your defense counsel here today is just here. She's a very good lawyer, but she's only here for today's purposes and not here to track to look at this individually, in the sense that with all the paperwork I'm told. And then APA Cole also agrees with defense counsel that there's a lot of paperwork going on. They want a time for you to be able to review the paperwork with a lawyer that's appointed to you, so you'll know what's the allegation is and the nature of allegations. And then at that time, you and your lawyer, if you get an appointed lawyer, which you should, then you'll be able to discuss all those things, and then you'll be able to raise your defenses with your lawyer and talk to him or her freely about it. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right, so I'm gonna mark the file need and appointed counsel. I'm gonna grant the adjournment I find a good cause to do so, based on what I've been told, and what's been stated in the record. I'm also gonna need a good phone number from you. Go ahead.
From me,
Yes.
586-563-3606.
I'm gonna set a pre-trial date for next month, just to find out if you got that a council appointed. I'm gonna set a pre-trial date for September 16th, 2022 at 8:30. I just want to see if you got the call. So you need to be watching your phone now, and you need to be answering calls that you don't recognize, because it potentially is going to be that lawyer that's going to call you. And I'll set that pre-trial date just to see that you got the lawyer, and the lawyer has all the information that's necessary to represent you. Then we'll set another pre-trial date or trial date from that point if necessary, okay?
All right.
All right, so Trooper and Officer Page, there's nothing further. That'll conclude this. The only thing is just be safe out there. And if there's necessary to hold another trial, then we'll send you another summons.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
You know, as to the trooper, his was just a driving violation, and I did do an offer on that. I don't know if we want to just take care of that today. I did a fail to display for a suspended license ticket. I didn't know if the court felt that you want to put both of them over, or if he wants to talk to his.
His counsel is advising him just to put both of them over.
Okay, I appreciate that. Thank you.
All right. All right.
Judge, I got Andrea Roberts on hold for you. She wants to know about Kevin Green and what type of assistance do he need?
We just need to, he has a trial date. He's supposed to be in court now, see if he has a good number for him.
This is her cell phone number right here.
No, Kevin Green. All right, let me say this, Mr. Little, do you understand everything now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so come back on 9/16/2022. We'll see the status of that appointment, and then we'll move from there. Okay.
Okay.
I really appreciate this.
Lawyer will be calling you.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
You represent him in the domestic violence case. So he's scheduled a trial and he hasn't arrived.
Does she have a phone number for him?
Yeah, we want a phone number. Yeah, can you call him? You want Kevin Green to zoom in right around?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Is he scheduled for court? This Judge Perkins, call 434, Sean Perkins. Yes, he ran the name and he saw you as his attorney. Okay. All right. Okay, thanks so much. Bye.
All right, Corporal McCree and Mr. Goss. What is the offer for Green? I got and this is Attorney. Attorney Roberts is giving him a call to zoom in now.
If she has anything else.
It's going to be a FTD, dismiss the other two.
All right, the one is going to be dismissed because it's an old case, right? And then the FTD for McCree's cases, correct?
Correct.
Okay. All right. Well, let's call. Mr. Corporal McCree, I'll put your appearance on the record if you need to. We got an offer. I guess Mr. Goss has your information as well if we need to call you if something goes on. But other than that, I'll make sure that your appearance and you showed up. I'll put that on the record.
Okay, sir. I'm Corporal Jamie McCree, badge 2865 with the Detroit Police Department.
Okay. All right. You can just
Your Honor.
yes. Yes.
I also want to put that Officer Anthony Hill did appear on
He
this
did appear,
13th.
He did appear as well. Okay. All right, all right, Corporal McCree, if we need you, we'll give you a call.
Thank you.
Be safe.
Judge Perkins, courtroom. Hey, how you doing? Okay, thank you so much. I'll let the judge know. Yeah, the judge, he ran the count, he read his name and he noticed that he had. Okay, good. Okay, all right, bye-bye. He's zooming in now, she said. Definitely.
We're gonna give them a few more minutes and that's it.
And then still don't.
Take your hoodie off, take your stocking hat off your head, sir. Mr. Green,
Yes, sir.
take the stocking cap off
Oh,
your head.
I'm sorry. I can hear you.
All right, why do we have to call you to remind you about your court?
I actually thought I had court this Friday.
This is the city of Detroit versus Kevin Alex Green. Case numbers SP 383-844, counts 1 and counts 2, and 13-6087741. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Green. Mr. Green, please state your name.
Kevin Green.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. We've had Officer Hill appeared and Corporal McCree appeared. I've since released them. And their offer to you is a failure to display a valid driver's license. Do you have a valid driver's license now, sir?
No, my appointment isn't until Friday as well. For the secretary in Dearborn.
Mr. Goss. Mr. Goss.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, put your appearance on the record, please.
May it please His Honorable Court, Dante Goss, P60162, behalf of the people.
This Mr. Green, he indicates to the court that he has an appointment this Friday, or what day is that, sir?
Yes, it's Friday.
With the Secretary of State to get a driver's license.
I know, I don't have any objections to adjourning this and setting it for a pretrial.
Would you offer him allowing and pay the $240?
I'd rather him come back with a driver's license to make sure he actually gets a driver's license, Your Honor. You know me, I'd rather have a driver's license.
And a full dismissal if he comes back with a license?
That's correct.
Understood.
All right, very well. This case is our so old. 2015. What's your date of birth, sir?
12/25/1989.
All these are 2015, 2015, and 2013 cases. All right, then I think the city's memorandum of understanding is 10 years is what I've been, oh, these are state cases as well. That's a state case. That's a city case. All right. So you want to come back, sir, with a valid driver's license in 2 weeks?
Yes, sir. I can do that.
We'll set a pretrial for August 30th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m. Bring a valid driver's license in here. You'll get these, we'll dismiss these cases, all right?
Yes, sir. Will do.
And don't let us have to call you again, sir.
No, I won't let it happen again. I promise you.
All right, August 30th, 2022. Go ahead.
Your Honor, which matters were state matters?
So I have, for the state matter, I have the unregistered untitled. That ticket was had on March 24th, 2015. That's the McCree ticket. And then the city on the no-op, on the license improper, that was, he wrote that ticket as well on the same day, but that was under the city. And then the no ops ticket from 2013 is a city ticket.
Okay.
All right, so we're gonna bring valid license in and we'll dismiss cases. All right. Next week, 2 weeks from now, come back in, all right?
Yes, sir.
If there's nothing further, have a very good day, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
All right.